Me versus Pepper. Here is Pepper. So apparently, it makes you sneeze when you take a big inhale. Well, folkies, and you, Mr. Pepper, I'm not going to sneeze. I will win this challenge. Are we ready? Okay, Pepper. Right, I'm going to clear out my nose first, because, you know, it's already itchy, because I'm thinking about it. What's up with this hair strand? Okay, here we go. All right. Wait, that's not pepper, that's cumin. Hang on. Wrong one. There is Mr. Pepper. Well, Mr. Cumin, you almost fooled me. Now that I see the colour difference. All right. Here's the pepper. Okay, now I've got cumin in my nose. All right, here we go. All right, Mr. Pepper. I win if I don't sneeze. You win if I sneeze. Got it? Got it. 3, 2, 1. It did not make me sneeze. Ha! Ha! But it went down the back of my... And I'm now tasting pepper. So that is a lovely side effect. Thank you so much for going down my throat. But, ha! In your face, Mr. Pepper. I ain't sneezing. I ain't sneezing. Now, the other thing is if you put pepper on the inside of your nose, will it make you sneeze? Alright, so part 1 done. Here we go. Part 2. Oh, I put too much in. Okay, here we go. Slightly burning my nostrils a little bit. Oh, I can feel it in my nose. It's so weird, it's like almost about to sneeze. This is way harder than the big inhale. Testing both theories, both competitions today with Mr. Pepper. Ah, I wanted to get out of my nose though. It's like right on the inside of my nostril. But I will not sneeze. And I'm not doing the no sneeze trick either. SpongeBob SquarePants is on in the background. Nope. Get out of my nose. No, Mr. Pepper. Ha! Both ways. Boom. I win. Ha! Ha! In your face, Mr. Pepper. Although it won't get out of my nose. So, great. A pepper nose, but not a sneezing one. That's right. That's right. Ooh, 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 ooh. Watch, I'm going to like sneeze. No, I will not sneeze. And there is a no sneezing trick. I'll give it to you for free. Ready? 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 If you think you're about to sneeze, because I do this on stage, or I can do it on stage if you... Snage. You can do it on stage or in a place where you're not allowed to sneeze. Take your tongue, phone's ringing, and rub the upper palate. And that will stop you from sneezing. But I'm not even doing that, but I'm not sneezing, but it's totally in my nose, and I gotta go, phone's ringing, bye. I won though, bye!